morning, and it's Amanda here from Bend Like Bamboo, and this week's blog focuses on mindset and movement. I want to show you guys how exercise can be another way of improving your state of mind, because the mind is connected to the body and your muscles are connected to your brain via the nervous system, and in Chinese medicine we also associate muscles with our organs, and that is why you can identify different emotions with parts of your body, which is pretty cool. That's what we do as kinesiologists. So jump on this week's blog and learn all about mindset and movement and how you can process stress and your emotions while you're moving your body, stretching or exercising. So it's a good double whammy. So let's look at squats, just as an example. So when you're squatting, obviously you're going to embrace your core, you're going to have a straight spine, and you're going to drop in your hips, just a traditional squat, right? But as you're squatting, I want you to also at the same time think and feel emotions of really feeling supported within yourself. Imagine, because your hips, what do they do structurally? They physically and structurally support you. So if you evoke a deep feeling of supporting yourself and feeling supported in your life, what that's going to do is that's going to activate centers of your brain, and whatever you're focused on, your brain's job is to bring resources to you to make things happen for yourself. So the more you start to feel deeply supported, the more you're going to start seeing more evidence around you of this being so. So if you practice this every day and you boost feeling supported within yourself, this is going to dictate how you're going to think and how you're going to act and how you show up in the world. When you start to change your mind about what you're believing and you really feel supported and you believe that you are, you're probably going to receive that more in your relationships around you. And this literally changes the goggles that you wear and how you see the world, how you're perceiving stress. And when you see more evidence of being and feeling supported around you, so much possibility can open up for you, professionally and personally. So enjoy this week's blog, all about mindset and movement, and practice the emotional links to physical parts of your body. Bye.